What up?
Hello.
Dude, check this out. Okay, so I was making a recipe and I was like, oh my god, this is vegan fried chicken with an ingredient I've never seen before. No one's done this. Shut the front fucking door. Okay, so this recipe video, it's really only like less than 2 minutes, but I looped it so I can explain. Bam! Look at that cucumber mystery fucking ingredient.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dude, I wish we could like add like some clapping or some shit, like ta-da, right? Because check this out. This recipe is far superior to every other recipe for vegan fried chicken. Because
Tell us why.
okay, here it is. Calm down. No, I'm just kidding. Okay.
Please.
So, well, first off, it's way cheaper than anything else. Like one cucumber is like 50 cents, right? You can get it anywhere. So there's no specialty ingredients in this recipe. No seitan. No like sweating away in the like kitchen for 45 minutes while your seitan is like taking a fucking bath or whatever. So okay. So it's no fancy ingredients. It's like 10 minutes at most. Like, you know, like throw some fucking flour in a bowl, slice some cucumber, heat some oil. It takes like 10 minutes to make this. Whereas if you think of like cauliflower or something, you actually have to cook the vegetable to some degree or it's gonna be crunchy. So, I mean, if you do like cauliflower bites, it's like 45 minutes in the oven. And I'm sure if you fried it, it's like probably way less. But this, it's like once you batter the cucumber and you throw it in some hot oil, it's like bam. Within like, I don't know, it seemed like within like a minute or something, like the breading was crispy. This is a recipe for someone who's like, can't handle a recipe. Oops, I'm also poor. Oh wait, I also have like 10 kids to feed in no time to like hang out in the kitchen and like massage some gluten flour or something. So it's like this is it. This is it. All right. All you need is some oil for frying, or you can air fry them. I air fried them, but you really shouldn't air fry them. Oh, well, okay, here's the fucked up thing. I fried a bunch of them and then I air fried a few of them. And I ate the fried ones first, and then I tried the air fried ones, and I was like, wrong, right? I was like, this air fryer, you need to go home. But if I would have probably just air fried them and didn't try deep frying them, then I probably would have been like, oh my god, guys, air frying them is the greatest thing ever. But because I deep fried them, and you don't even have to really deep fry them, you're not like cooking like a Thanksgiving dinner. I mean, they cook in 2 seconds. You don't need a lot of oil. Just slap some oil in a bowl, put it on the stove. 2 seconds later, look at that. You got yourself some veggie nuggets. A little sandwich, you know what I mean? Where's this going? I'm going somewhere with all this talking. Okay, here we are. So, get some oil. Look at this. Dry mix. Flour and salt. Somebody, give that flour and salt a high five. Your wet mix. Equal parts flour and water. That's it. Crunchy. A bunch of panko. A little bit of flour, and just spices. And the paprika is pretty much just to kind of add to that golden color that you want. Like, it just makes it look better, but you don't even have to use that. The breading is like so fucking perfect that I think even if you just added salt, you'd be like, damn, I'm a fucking cook. But if you want it to have like a crispy chicken sandwich quality, like, you know, add some poultry spices, or what did I use? I used some like chicken rub blend. It's like had salt in it, like a salted chicken rub blend from Aldi. It was like probably a quarter, 50 cents, you know, back in my day. Anyway, so that's it. I mean, that's the whole recipe. If you own oil, which I said like 50 times, sorry everybody, flour, panko, salt, and a cucumber. I mean, this could feed a village for like $1. I'm telling you, dude. Kids are never going hungry again. Look at this. Fried food for all. You have anything you want to add?
It looks good to me.
Peace.